First up, getting to grips with input and output. The print function, spelled as print, is a cornerstone command. It's akin to your program saying hello to the world. With it, you can display text or the value of a variable on the screen. Consider the phrase, "Hello world," as a friendly greeting from your program to the user. On the flip side, the input function, written as input, is your program's way of listening. It retrieves user input and stores it in a variable. Think of it as your program asking the user, "What is your name?" and then using that information later on. Output. Next, delve into variables and data types. The assignment operator, represented by an equal sign, takes a value and assigns it to a variable. Imagine a variable as a special box where you can store data like numbers or text. The arithmetic operators are the bread and butter of Python's numerical wizardry. The basic ones are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The modulo operator, symbolized by a percentage sign, is a little more unique. It returns the remainder after division. Now let's tackle comparison operators. These handy tools compare values and return either true or false. They're like the scales of justice, weighing values on either side and delivering a verdict. Moving on to conditional statements. The if, elif, and else statements control the flow of your program based on conditions. It's as if your program is making decisions based on the information it has. Loops are a critical part of Python's magic. The for loop executes a block of code repeatedly for a sequence of items. Meanwhile, the while loop keeps executing a block of code as long as a certain condition remains true. It's like your program is running laps around a track until it's time to stop. Then we have lists and tuples. Lists, denoted by square brackets, are ordered, mutable collections of items. Imagine them as your program's personal shopping list. Tuples, denoted by parentheses, are similar but immutable. They're like the coordinates on a map, fixed and unchanging. Strings represent sequences of characters and can be denoted by either single or double quotes. They're like your program's way of creating and manipulating text. The def keyword allows you to define functions. These are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. It's as if your program has its own set of mini-programs that it can call upon whenever needed. Lastly, the hashtag symbol is used for comments. These add explanations to your code but are ignored by the computer. They're like the secret whispers of your program, only heard by you, the programmer. By mastering these top 20 Python commands, a solid foundation for building more complex programs is laid. Remember, practice holds the key to the door of proficiency. Experiment with these commands, explore online tutorials, and never hesitate to tap into the vast Python community. As progress is made, the true power and versatility of this remarkable programming language will be revealed.